My name is Maura Horton. I am a fourth-year marketing major with a minor in business law and ethics, and I went abroad to Cape Town, South Africa this past spring. The program itself is for mostly marketing students. The whole premise is to help small entrepreneurs with their branding in South Africa. So I worked with a fashion designer, helping her create and empower herself to put herself forward with her business plans by helping her branding, making sure it's solidified, and so that she can be able to create her story and show others who she is and what she's trying to do for her clients that are in the South Africa area, but also outside of the country as well. So I love branding, and when I saw that this was a class that I could do, I was absolutely so excited to be able to not only do consulting, but also use the skills I learned through my previous classes to help. Branding is a part of the marketing realm. Marketing is so vague and broad that you can go into different types, but I really thought that the experience that I got is real world, and it has helped me personally get internships because I was able to show the projects that I worked on and how it applies to life in the US. Even though it was in Cape Town, it still was very helpful to show like real life projects that I've been able to work on. I was able to experience a African safari. The group and we were able to spend 2 days at a resort. So I got to see rhinos, hippos, zebras, lions, elephants, which are my favorite, and a lot more animals like up close in person in their own natural habitat. It was a huge amount of land, and we were just in their presence, and it was just absolutely beautiful. There we watched them during the sunrise and sunset, so it was just absolutely gorgeous and such a really cool experience that I could say that I've been on an actual African safari. Definitely do it. There are resources and people to help you at UC and to make you feel comfortable even if you are a little scared. It is 100% worth it, and like I said, UC is here for you.